In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a line in CapCut using a super simple method that works whether you want to create clean separators, underline text, or add a sleek design element to your video. This is a quick but useful CapCut trick, and by the end, you'll know exactly how to find the line asset, place it on your timeline, and customize it to fit your edit perfectly. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy CapCut tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump straight into it. First, open CapCut and make sure your project is already loaded. Once you're inside the editor, look at the top left menu bar and click on Stickers. This is where CapCut stores a lot of visual elements you can add to your project, including shapes, icons, and simple design assets. After clicking Stickers, take a moment to look through the available options. You're looking for a simple, solid, straight line. Depending on the version of CapCut you're using, it may be grouped with shapes or appear in a sticker-style library, so scroll carefully until you find the right one. Once you spot the line, drag that line asset down onto your timeline and place it above your video track. This part is important because putting it above the video layer makes sure the line appears on top of your footage and not behind it. After the line is on your timeline, click on it so it becomes selected. When it's selected, go to the basic panel on the top right side of the screen. This is where you can make all the key adjustments to the line. If you want the line to look thicker or thinner, use the scale setting to change its size. If you want to move it around the frame, adjust the position controls until it sits exactly where you want it. And if you need the line to match a certain angle, use the rotation setting to tilt it into place. Take a few seconds to fine-tune the line so it fits the style of your video. You can make it small and subtle for a minimalist look, or larger and more noticeable if you want it to stand out more. You can also use it as a divider between sections, a highlight under text, or just a clean graphic touch to make your edit feel more polished. Once you're happy with the placement and style, preview your video to make sure everything looks right in motion. If needed, go back and make a few small adjustments until the line feels balanced with the rest of your design. And that's it. You've now learned how to add a line in CapCut and customize it in just a few simple steps. If this video helped, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more CapCut tips, tricks, and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.